Welcome to our guide on Wi-Fi installation in process areas. In today's fast-paced industrial environments, having reliable Wi-Fi connectivity is crucial for seamless operations and data management. Before we dive into the installation process, it's essential to conduct a thorough site survey. This involves assessing the layout of the area, identifying potential sources of interference, and determining optimal placement for Wi-Fi access points. The key factors to consider during the site survey include coverage area. Ensure that the Wi-Fi signals cover the entire process area, including remote corners and high traffic zones. Interference. Identify and mitigate sources of interference such as machinery, metal structures, and other wireless devices. Capacity. Determine the number of devices that will be connected to the network simultaneously to ensure optimal performance. Key components of a Wi-Fi system in process areas. Access points are the primary devices that broadcast Wi-Fi signals and provide connectivity to wireless devices within the coverage area. In a process area, multiple access points are typically deployed strategically to ensure complete coverage and minimize dead zones. These access points should be industrial grade and capable of withstanding the environmental conditions of the process area. Ethernet switches are used to connect multiple access points to the wired network infrastructure. They provide power over Ethernet, and data connectivity to the access points, as well as facilitate communication between the access points and the network backbone. A network controller is responsible for managing and configuring the access points within the Wi-Fi system. It provides centralized management capabilities, allowing administrators to monitor the network, update firmware, adjust settings, and troubleshoot issues from a single interface. In larger deployments, cloud-based controllers are often used for scalability and remote management. Antennas are integral components of access points that help to transmit and receive Wi-Fi signals. In a process area, directional antennas may be used to focus the signal in specific directions or to penetrate through obstacles and interference. The type and placement of antennas play a crucial role in optimizing coverage and signal strength. To ensure uninterrupted operation, especially in critical process areas, power backup solutions such as uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, may be deployed. These devices provide temporary power during outages or fluctuations, preventing downtime and data loss. Security appliances such as firewalls and intrusion detection prevention systems, IDS, are essential for protecting the Wi-Fi network from unauthorized access, malicious attacks, and data breaches. These appliances help enforce security policies, monitor network traffic, and detect suspicious activities in real time. Wireless clients refer to the devices that connect to the Wi-Fi network, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, barcode scanners, and IoT devices. These clients rely on the Wi-Fi system to access resources, exchange data, and communicate with other devices and systems within the process area. Site survey tools are used during the planning and deployment phase to assess the RF, radio frequency, environment, identify potential sources of interference, and determine optimal placement for access points. These tools help ensure proper coverage, signal strength, and performance of the Wi-Fi system. Once the site survey is complete, it's time to begin the installation process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install access points in strategic locations identified during the site survey. Mount them securely to ensure stability and optimal signal propagation. Run Ethernet cables from the network switch to each access point location. Use high-quality cables and proper cable management techniques to minimize signal loss and interference. Configure each access point with the appropriate settings, including network SSID, security protocols, and channel assignments. Once the installation is complete, thorough testing is essential to ensure the Wi-Fi network meets performance standards. Conduct signal strength tests and bandwidth tests throughout the process area to identify any areas of weakness or interference. With the Wi-Fi installation complete, workers can now enjoy seamless connectivity, enabling real-time data access, remote monitoring, and improved productivity in the process area. While this may seem like a simple process, installing a Wi-Fi system in a process area requires careful assessment and planning to mitigate problems such as electromagnetic interference, signal interference, and network congestion. Additionally, professional experience and knowledge of industry regulations is essential. Therefore, contact a professional to install a Wi-Fi system for a process area.